Hello everyone, my name is Manana Chumburidze, and together my colleagues Georgi Chachua and Teimuraz Sakhelashvili, I am pleased to present our work on targeted age-based neural surrogates for tumor growth. Cancer remains one of the most significant global health challenges. Accurate prediction of tumor evaluation is crucial for treatment planning, prognosis evaluation, and personalized medicine. While a mathematical model can provide valuable information about disease progressions, their computational complexity often limits real-time clinical use. Our goal is to bridge this gap by combining mathematical modeling and modern artificial intelligence techniques. Motivations about our research. Why is tumor growth predictions important? Physicians need reliable tools to estimate how a tumor will evolve over time. Such predictions can support bedside diagnostics, improve treatment planning, and provide intraoperative decision support. Traditional mathematical models are powerful, but they are often too slow for immediate clinical decision making. Therefore, faster predictive approaches are needed. This slide we developed with a multi-parameter biochemical model based on partial differential equations. This is a dynamical system of tumor growth with following variables: displacement vector of cancer cells, proliferations, nutrient diffusion vector of cancer cells, and fat transfer. With tissue deformation parameters, tumor density, temperature relaxations, and biochemical parameters of tumor tissue. About tumor growth visualizations now. Tumor growth is a complex biological process involving cell proliferation, nutrient diffusion, heart transfer, and tissue deformations. Using reaction diffusion equations, we simulated tumor evaluations in a two-dimensional domain. The results show progressive expansions of tumor over time. As the simulation advances, both tumor area and main cell density increase significantly. This numerical experiment demonstrates the capability of PDM models to reproduce realistic growth patterns. It's possible, however, generating such simulations repeatedly is computationally intensive. So this is traditional methods of investigations. Limitations of traditional PD solvers. The main problems our research work. Also, numerical solvers provide hugely accurate solutions. They have several disadvantages. They require substantial computational resources, long execution times, and powerful hardware. As a result, they are generally unsuitable for real-time clinical applications where decisions must be made within scopes. This limitation motivates our research for faster alternatives. About neural operators, this work offer new framework of investigation. This is neural surrogate framework investigation of tumor growth. In this framework are included four neural operators and with Laplace neural operators. So new approach entitled LNF NO framework. Fourier neural operators perform global convolutions in the frequency domain, enabling efficient lining of PDE solutions operators across different spatial resolutions. Since the governing thermoelastic diffusion system is naturally formulated in the Laplace domain, a Laplace neural operator provides a mathematically consistent framework. Nevertheless, Fourier neural operators can also be employed as an efficient data-driven surrogate for lining the solution operator and accelerated to group predictions. So, this is new paradigm. Instead of solving PDEs repeatedly by new neural surrogate approaches, based following algorithm, boundary conditions, spatial coordinates, neural networks, and PDE solutions. Benefit near-instant inference, reducing computational scalability. Fourier neural operators and operators directly in function space and core ideas transfer into frequency domain. So this is transformation. Apply Lennable spectral filters, then perform inverse transform by use Fourier layer. Advantageous resolution independent, fast inference, excellent for PDE lining, generalized across meshes. So statement now problem in two-dimensional space, problem, boundary value problem, satisfying the following neural operator equations. This is Laplace neural operator equations with together boundary conditions. Accordingly, boundary value problems, and the following transformations are implemented for within new neural surrogate framework. So from PDE to Laplace transform to boundary integral formulations to training data and Fourier neural operator. Thus enabling rapid prediction of the solutions field without repeatedly solving the underlying partial differential equations. So these simulations, next time training data, Fourier neural operator, within Laplace neural operator, model compressions, quantization, edge, hardware, real-time predictions. This is new paradigm stages. Training strategy. Now, linear PDE solution operators. The dataset was generated by solving reaction, diffusion, and macro equations across varying diffusion and proliferation parameters. This is table PDE solver via neural surrogates model. This is a table of training data sets, the results, PDE predictions within 4.8 seconds, but neural surrogate predictions within new framework 0.012 seconds. So we have the best results. Here, PDE solver, PDE solver via new approach and corresponding visualization to macro PDE simulations and neural surrogate mean squared with a mean squared error with minimal error, absolute error, minimal loss functions, minimal loss estimations. So we have the table of experiments, PDA solutions results, neural predictions results, and absolute error column are presented here. Next, empathy model compressions from research model to edge device. Now, these slides are presented corresponding techniques, pruning and quantization, knowledge distillation, results from large network to compact network, and about benefits, faster inference, lower memory footprint, reduced energy consumptions. Next, embedded deployment within this framework, ARM Cortex with low power, portable, FPGA accelerators, parallel computation, low latency, energy efficient for corresponding medical devices and corresponding medical I/O. Challenges, boundary conditions, variability with different patients, quantization error with reduced numerical precision, data availability with problem clinical dataset remain limited, and regulatory validation, extensive testing required. Clinical applications toward personalized oncology, potential applications bedside monitoring, tumor progression forecasting, personalized treatment planning, MRI-CT image analysis, intraoperative support system, so patient imaging, FNO, predictions, and decisions. Within, for example, glioma monitoring, radiation therapy planning, personalized treatment adoption, MRI-based growth forecasting. Expected impact of embedded PDA-INN systems, scientific impact benefits from PDA-INN integrations, embedded synthesis, embedded edge healthcare, clinical impact, faster treatment decisions and personalized medicine, technological impact, faster treatment decisions, personalized medicine. Future direction, research and development roadmap, next steps, physics-informed neural operators, multimodal imaging integration, explainable AI for clinicians, digital twins of cancer patients with FPGA-specific neural architectures. About conclusions, in conclusions, this work demonstrates that edge-based neural surrogates, particularly Laplace-Fourier neural operators, offer a powerful alternative to traditional PDA solvers for tumor growth predictions. By learning the underlying solutions operators directly from simulation data, these models can accurately reproduce tumor evaluation while reducing prediction time from seconds to milliseconds. Our results show that it's possible to enhance the physical fidelity of mathematical tumor models while achieving the computational efficiency required for real-time application. Furthermore, through model compressions, quantizations, and deployment on embedded hardware, these neural operators can be integrated into portable and low-power medical devices. Thank you.